These are the moments that mean the most. I pull the bed sheets from your shoulder, but it's cold. Forget the world and hold me close. Kiss me right now, 'cause the future's unknown. I'm sure that I'm feeling more than I'm feeling. I hope you feel the same way too. I'm only being all I can be, and you know it's all because of you.
První vzpomínka na Lucinku je tak, když jsem Ginderovi šel poprvé do jeho bytu, jejich bytu na Brandlové a šel jsem na angličtinu z Jindrou a viděl jsem tam poprvé Lucku. První věc, co bylo, tak mi narvala plno jídla a že to musím všechno sníst, když to nesním, tak jako nemůžu odejít.
We're made of love,
Úplně poprvé si ho pamatuju, když jsme byli na festivalu v Litovli, tak tam jsem je spolu viděla. A oni byli tak hezcí, ale tam jako ještě nic jako nebylo, ale nechali jsme je tam, zaplatila mamka ještě nějaký další alkohol a my jsme odešli dom, aby si užili tam zábavu spolu a potom to mohli dát dokupy. Si úplně pamatuju, jak tam Jindra stála.
We're made of love, All of the mountains, all of the seas are all part of you and all part of me. All of our hopes and all of our dreams are all about you and all about me. All of the mountains, all of the seas are all part of you and all part of me.
Ano.
Ano. Prohlašuji tímto vaše manželství za právoplatně uzavřené.
And all I can be, and you know it's all because of you. When the stars come out to shine, I think of you here by my side. I never realized that it was written in the sky. We're made of love. We're made of love. There goes my heart beating, 'cause you are the reason I'm losing my sleep. Please come back now. And there goes my mind racing, and you are the reason that I'm still breathing. I'm hopeless now. I'd climb every mountain and swim every ocean just to be with you and fix what I've broken.
Milá Lucia Jindro, 26.9. to bude 10 let, co jste se seznámili. Dneska máte velký den, když jste si vyměnili prstinky. Přeji vám hodně dalších společných let.
And you are the reason my heart keeps bleeding. turn back the clock. I'd make sure the light defeated the dark. I'd spend every hour of every day keeping you safe, and I'd climb every mountain and swim every ocean just to be with you and fix what I've broken. Oh, 'cause I need you to see that you are the reason. I don't wanna find no more. I don't wanna cry no more. Come back, I need you. The reason. Closer, just a little closer. Come a little closer. I need you to hold me tonight. I'd climb every mountain and swim every ocean just to be with you and fix what I've broken. 'Cause I need you to see that you are the reason.